honestly, I don't know how many times I'm going to make this my intro. You've probably seen this at least twice by now, but we need the truck and trailer for what you guys see in the title and the thumbnail. And I'm actually excited because we can just jump in the vet and move it when we need to now. Oh, I freaking love this thing. I'm not sure when you guys will see this video, guys, but stay tuned. Let's get the truck and trailer. We got to move the Escalade out of the way, the Jeep out of the way, the vet out of the way, and we're going to hit the road for what we're going to pick up. Man, I love this thing. I cannot wait to just drive this thing daily and just absolutely start enjoying this car again. Mo was excited today when she seen it come in the driveway. She freaking said, "Dad, can we take it to daycare? Can we take it to school? Can we take it to go get food?" But I'm excited, guys. We got to do some of the body panels, and just stay tuned for this video, guys. It's coming out very, very soon. Probably, I'd say Thursday. If it's not out by Thursday, it will be Sunday. So Thursday or Sunday of this week, you will see the Corvette video. Stay tuned. I actually completely forgot, and before the sun sets, we might as well do the quick little video of this, of why we were actually picking up what we were picking up. So we are picking up another Jeep, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail. So a couple things that were wrong with this Jeep. My Jeep is, I'm not sure how well you can see here, but the rear end has finally let loose. You can see by the fluid and everything in here, this thing is making a horrendous noise going down the highway. You can tell the shocks are absolutely covered in rear gear fluid. And then in the front, when you come up here, the front diff is out of fluid, and we're missing bolts. There's just a bunch of damage actually going on with this. And you can see there, look at the pinion. Can you see it? The pinion inside the front end is absolutely trashed. So we've definitely used this Jeep to its full advantage, and it's time to actually go get the parts that we need to make this thing run and drive and actually be functioning again. Now, I could take it off-roading and everything right now. However, I want to make this thing right. I don't want to actually be on the trails braking, contrary to most of you guys believe. You guys think that I do enjoy breaking things, but I don't like breaking things, so we're gonna try to address this before it's actually a problem. You can see the fluid leaks. It leaks down on the ground. So let's just go get the parts cheap that we need and start getting this thing back together. As always, man, that sun is bright, but I'm loving the fact the sun is coming out. But as always, we've got to stop and fill her up. Let's plug and chug, baby.
I drove it here from the other side of Airville.
Really?
Yeah, it does 50 without depth logs.
Really? Wow. Yeah, I just need the axles, honestly.
And the motor don't even have a tap in it. It's a 4.0.
Really? Yeah.
4.0 without a tap, hard to find, but
definitely.
Some kid tore it apart and fucked up a perfectly good Jeep.
Definitely. That's like mine. Alrighty, not sure if you guys can even see. There we go, a little bit more light, but we have made it home with that. But we're actually parting out this Escalade. Now, a bunch of people have said, you know, don't part it out, you know, just do a quick, easy flip. But I think what's best for me is to go ahead and part this thing out. So we're selling our very first part, which is the front bumper. Got it loaded up here in the XJ. We're gonna go meet the people, and I'll come back and talk to you a little bit more about what one of the good benefits of why we bought this red Jeep. So let me go deliver this bumper, and I'll be back with you guys momentarily. Awesome. So they had an Escalade, and guess they drove it off-roading by accident. So hope we're able to help them out with some parts. Let's get back home and talk about the Jeep stuff. Well, I'll actually end up moving this clip. Let me turn my copyright down here. So I'll end up putting this clip in, I think probably on the way to pick up. Ooh, my horn sounds terrible. Ooh. H&S beeping at me. But I'll probably end up putting this clip in here real quick while I'm on my way to go get the Jeep, because if you can hear, I mean, I'm not even doing 20 miles an hour. Can you guys hear that noise? Now watch, I'll let off the gas and see how it goes away. And then it, as I slowly decel, the noise picks back up. Hear it? Oh, you can hear it's grinding back there. It's making all kinds of ruckus. So we definitely need this Jeep for the axles and everything. And my turn signal switch is sometimey. So we're gonna pull the turn signal switch out of that one, and just kind of use as many parts to rebuild this one and make this thing good to go. Man, that thing sounds terrible. Hey, I'll try to go as fast as I can so you can hear it. Listen. I know you guys hear that. Definitely time for a rear, and glad we have a parts truck now. Man, that is bad. And a bunch of you guys will probably think that it's the tires. It is not the tires, as you've seen by the part, or the movement in everything earlier. It's definitely in the rear end. Alright, guys and girls, well, we are back from delivering our front bumper, and I just wanted to say, you guys are definitely going to want to stay tuned for some of the content coming out. We have a big 6.0 video coming out. We obviously have the C5 video coming out, but one of the main reasons I purchased this is because this here is going to give me so many extra parts when it comes to, you know, my Jeep. Basically what I want to do is I want to go ahead and in the back of my Jeep sort of have like a little side bin to where I can actually put at least one front spare axle, one rear axle, the C-clips in the back. I want to be able to get those. I want to get basically, I want to keep parts in my Jeep. That way, if I break on the trail and it's an axle or something simple, something, you know, that I can fix in about a half hour's time or an hour's time, that we can fix it, get back out there and keep wheeling. So this is going to be able to give me so many parts that I am freaking excited about, because I mean, it's just making that build so much better. And I'll then be able to take it wherever I want and not be scared to be just kind of stranded on the side of the road or on the side of a trail. So I hope you guys are understanding in this. I hope you guys are understanding this, and I hope you guys are also in agreement that we did need a parts Jeep. I'm going to tear as much off of it as I can in the next couple days here, and then we're going to get this thing off to scrap. So another thing, taillights. I didn't even realize it had taillights in it till now. So I got a good set of extra taillights in case I bang one off a rock. Mirrors, I got a good set of mirrors. I think actually my passenger side mirror is broken, so now I have a good mirror. So a bunch of things. Oh, roof rack. This one has a roof rack. Mine doesn't have a roof rack on it before because it got ripped off. So there's so many things that I can use this, and I couldn't be any more excited that I got the deal that I got. So there you guys have it. We are coming back with content. Tomorrow will probably be the 6.0. And then Thursday will probably be the C5, or it'll be these axles going under the Jeep. I haven't really decided yet which one, or I might wait till Sunday for the Corvette content. So again, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I hope you guys are welcoming me back with open arms, and I'll see you guys very, very soon in more videos. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Off-roading this weekend too also. Stay tuned. But I just couldn't help but get it in the video. So I know you've seen that the headlights aren't in it here. I know you see it says no oil pressure. I got to get an oil pressure sending unit, but stay tuned to this video.